Hey everybody, welcome to the Spellbinders 2025 Crafty Advent series on the ArmensCraftRoom channel. These videos of unboxings and everything are all in one playlist. Today is day 16, and if you'd like to see the unboxing and sample cards, shorts, and some process videos here and there, make sure you check the playlist out. If you'd like to follow along with the series and you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel, makes it easier for you to find my videos, and allows you to choose to be notified by YouTube when I post videos. No worries, they won't notify you for every video. You can go through a selection of how frequently you'd like to be notified, and that's what YouTube will do for you. Oh, awesome. It looks like we're going to get sentiment dies today out of this little box. These are really cute. They come in this banner. I'm going to pre-cut this for storage. Alright, this one was a bit harder to get off. Congrats, happy day, and good vibes. These are pretty great generic banner sentiments that could be used for a lot of stuff. Alright, this one is like all glue. I don't save the baggies they come in, so I'm not worried about cutting it. And I do put them on these honeybee magnets. If you'd like a coupon code for those, you can check out my referral code in the description box. I do receive honey coins if you decide to do it. It is a frequent shopper rewards thing, so anybody with a frequent shopper card can get those rewards coins if someone signs up for an email using their name. Alright, and there we go. Let's see what we can do with these, and I'm definitely going to cut some extras for future days. I've been trying to make projects with mostly Advent Calendar products whenever possible, so let's see what happens.
I'd love to know which card is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments below and hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.